All right, so back to this question. We have 12 pieces of data. The minimum and the maximum are the easiest two to get, and then we have to do some work to figure out the rest. So the half of 12 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw my line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I should have 6 pieces of data on each side. Since I have to split these two terms, we talked about this yesterday, we have to find the average of those two terms. So we do 79 plus 80 and we divide by 2. We should get 79.5. Now in the bottom half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have 6 pieces of data. I'm going to split that in half, and it's between 68 and 73. So I'm going to have to add 68 and 73 and then split that in half. So if I split that in half, 68 and 73, 141, so 70.5. And then 1, 2, 3, split this in half. I have 86 and 94. So 86 and 94 and split that in half. So that's going to give me 90. Okay, they did not ask me to calculate my IQR, but I'm going to need that for the next step. So I'm going to write that down here. IQR is Q3 minus Q1. So I'm going to have 90 minus 70.5, which is going to give me 19.5. Now this step, identify outliers, just by looking at this set of data, it looks like the 27 is going to be an outlier. How do we actually figure out if it is an outlier? This is our formula. So I'm going to do Q1, which is 70.5, minus 1.5 times my IQR. So I'm going to need a calculator for this. 1.5 times 19.5 is 29.25, and then I'm subtracting, so I get 41.25. This is saying anything, this means less than 41.25 is going to be an outlier. So 27 is an outlier. For my upper outlier, this is greater than, so I'm going to take Q3 and add, I already did this part, 29.25. So 90 plus 29.25, 119.25. I don't have anything greater than that, so I have no upper outlier. Example 2. The box plot below shows the test results of a math class. These are percentages, and these are all labeled. So this is my minimum, this is my Q1, this is my median, Q3, and max. What was the highest score on the test? Highest is max. What percent of the class scored above a 72? So I'm going to mark these 25, 25, 25, and 25. What percent scored above a 72? Here's a 72. So what's above it? 25, 25, and 25. That makes 75%. What was the median score? Oops, 88. What percent of the class scored between 88 and 96? So between these two numbers is 25%. Is the graph skewed? If so, indicate the direction of skewness. Okay, we're going to skip this one for a second and we'll come back to it. Let's answer F. What is the interquartile range? So IQR, we have our formula here, 96 minus 72 is 24. Okay, we're going to stop the video and then we're going to go add some stuff to our notes and come back to this.